Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current I through a conductor is proportional to the voltage V across its end. It is written as V equal to I, where I is the resistance of the conductor. And here we can also see the graph of the current I is proportional to the voltage V, which is Ohm's law. Experiment to verify Ohm's law. Ohm's law can be easily verified in lab or at home. We need a voltmeter, ammeter, power supply, resistors, and connecting wires. A simple procedure to verify Ohm's law is given a bit after in this video. And here we can also see a simple circuit to verify Ohm's law. We need to take 4 or 5 dry cells, a thin wire AB, a voltmeter, an ammeter, a plug K, and some thick connecting wires. Connect the circuit as shown in the figure before using one cell. The plug K allows us to switch off the current when not required. The wire becomes quick hot when current passes through it for some time. This drains the cell as well. Therefore, insert the key into the plug to switch on the current only when taking measurements. The ammeter measures the current I through the circuit, and the voltmeter measures the potential difference V between the ends A and B of the wire. Note these values. Now connect two cells in series in the circuit. We will find that the reading of the voltmeter increases, indicating the fact that a larger potential difference has been applied across the wire AB. We will also find that the reading of the ammeter increases as well. Note down the new values of I. Repeat the experiment by connecting in series 3 cells, 4 cells, and so on. In each case, measure the potential difference and the current. If we calculate V by I for each case, we will find that it is almost the same. So V by I equal to R is a constant, which is another way of stating Ohm's law. Here R is the resistance of the wire AB. If we plot a graph of current I against the potential difference V, it will be a straight line. This shows that current is proportional to the potential difference. The experimental setup used in the laboratory makes the use of rheostat to vary the potential difference V across the standard resistor R. And here we can see its diagram also. Now Joule's law of heating. Joule's law is a mathematical description of the rate at which resistance in a circuit converts electrical energy into heat energy, and down here its mathematical description is shown. Experimental setup for the verification of Joule's law is shown in the attached figure. Before starting the experiment, the value of resistance is measured. A heating coil is dipped in a thermally insulated beaker filled with a water of known mass and the current of known constant amplitude. Measured by ammeter and adjusted by variable resistance is passed through it. A thermometer is dipped in the wire at time 0. The readings of the thermometer are noted at regular intervals of time of 60 seconds. The heat supplied to the resistor in time t is given by Q1 equal to I square RT. The heat absorbed by the water is Q2 equal to MST. At all the time instants, Q2 and Q1 are computed. Validity of Joule's law is verified by the equality of Q1 and Q2. Hence, Joule's law of heating is verified.